here, so you need to leave me alone.
No, I don't. What? Are you mad at me?
So I hate you.
I'm gonna cry now because you said you hate me. Why do you hate me?
I just hate you.
That's mean to say.
Get.
No.
Leave me alone.
No.
Yes.
No.
Get in a puke on your bed.
Yeah, very. You won't puke on my bed.
Yes, I will.
Then you can't come to my house anymore. You're being mean to me.
There. I puke all over your bed.
Well, I thought you wanted me. Don't you love Aunt Kayla?
No.
Why?
So I don't.
Why are you being mean?